In this video, we're going to show you to install the engine splash shield on your INFINITI G37 X, located behind the front inner wheel well liner. Using a 21mm socket, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Now, in our particular vehicle, we have a locking lug nut. We have the key to remove it. If you just have a standard lug nut, go ahead and take it off. Once you have those removed, remove the wheel and set it aside. With the vehicle raised, we want to go ahead and remove this center engine cover here. Series of 10mm screws are on the perimeter. Ours is missing a couple here, but go ahead and remove the ones that you do have. We'll come up to the middle section here. Once you get your hardware out, go ahead and set that cover aside. Now, with our splash shield removed, there was some damage caused here, and most of the time that's what happens is the retainer clips and everything just tears the plastic away, or maybe you happen to have some road damage causing this problem. That's why we're replacing this component. Using your trim tool, you want to go ahead and remove the plastic retainers around our front inner splash shield here to gain access to the inner splash shield. On the factory clips here, they should have just little buttons you can get behind and pop out. This particular model has had some replaced. Our clips might appear different than yours, but you want to go ahead and remove these. Once you have those clips out, go ahead and pull this out of the bumper and the fender. Now, here's our replacement splash shield here, and it goes up vertically like this. Now, if you notice, there's two holes here, and this is held in by plastic push pins. On the vehicle itself, we have one plastic retainer here. The second one is right behind this. So you're going to just use your trim tool to pop up in the back and pop off that same button. So let's go ahead and do that. The factory button pops out on the center. Yours might vary from ours. Sometimes these are brittle and they can break, so you might have to source some replacements. And then go ahead and do the same for the back. Now, if your factory splash shield has your retainer clips on there, you can go ahead and swap them over. We had to source some replacements because ours were just rusty and broken. We also sourced some replacement push pins to secure our splash shield in place. Okay, get in that front clip, push that in. And bring your fender liner back up into place. install all of your trim buttons. Now at this point here, you go ahead and install your front lower shield. Now we're using our replacement bolt with a washer on it. Our lower splash shield was damaged when we had received the vehicle. Ideally, you want to go ahead and replace the splash shield as well. But we're going to install a bolt with a washer to hold that. Let's go ahead and repeat this process for the forward mount as well. I'm going to snug these down. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process onto the other side. Once you have your splash shield on, you can go ahead and install your wheels. Go ahead and install your wheel. I'm going to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once we get all of these started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. We have our locking key. Go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. We're going to use our locking key first. Then we'll continue with the rest in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.